paperwork, no credit checks. Fundo's $10,000 windfall. Welcome, savvy viewers, to High Access, where we're about to unveil a financial secret that could change the game for you. If you've ever faced financial challenges and craved a lifeline, you've stumbled upon something extraordinary. Today, we're diving into Fundo, the financial revolution that offers up to $10,000 with no hard credit checks, no pay stubs, and no tax returns needed. Yes, you heard that right. But before we embark on this enlightening journey, do us a favor. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming up. Subscribing ensures you'll be the first to know about financial insights, tips, and opportunities that can transform your financial future. And if you find value in this video, a thumbs up would be much appreciated. It helps us spread the word to others who may need this financial lifeline. Now, let's set the stage for today's revelation. In a world where financial institutions often build barriers, Fundo is tearing them down. Whether you're a gig worker, freelancer, independent contractor, or a self-employed visionary, Fundo has reimagined financial support just for you. Fundo, a key to instant funds? Now, let's dive deep into the world of financial possibilities with Fundo. Imagine a scenario where you hold the keys to unlocking thousands of dollars, all without the looming specter of your credit score casting shadows on your dreams. It's not just intriguing, it's the potential game changer you've been waiting for. In today's episode, we are pulling back the curtain on Fundo, the well-kept secret that can be your golden ticket to financial freedom. Whether you're in need of a modest boost, say $500, or you have your sights set on a more substantial $10,000, Fundo's Merchant Cash Advance is here to turn your financial aspirations into tangible reality. And the icing on the cake? It all comes wrapped in a flexible repayment plan designed to sync seamlessly with your unique income flow. But let's dig deeper into the real magic that Fundo brings to the table. It's nothing short of a revolution in the financial landscape. This isn't just about providing a financial solution, it's about throwing a lifeline to those who've felt stranded in the unforgiving waters of traditional banking and lending institutions. Fundo gets it. They grasp the realities of fluctuating income, the frustrations of credit challenges, and the difficulties that gig workers, freelancers, and small business owners face in navigating the conventional financial maze. Fundo is more than just a financial service. It's an opportunity to rewrite your financial narrative. It's a chance to access financial support on your terms, regardless of your credit score or the unpredictable nature of your income. So, let's talk about how you can access this financial lifeline. Fundo's application process is your gateway to financial empowerment. It's designed with your convenience and ease of use in mind. You're not bound by rigid financial constraints. Instead, you have the flexibility to apply for amounts ranging from a modest $500 to a substantial $10,000. This versatility empowers you to address a wide spectrum of financial needs. Whether you're bridging a short-term gap or seizing an exciting opportunity, Fundo has your back. Now, before we delve into the intricacies of Fundo's transformative potential, I'd like to extend a warm invitation to you. Join our growing financial community by hitting that subscribe button. By becoming a part of our community, you're ensuring that you won't miss out on the invaluable updates and insights that can reshape your financial future. Remember to activate notifications so you're always in the loop. Credit score is everything. In the world of financing, there's an unequivocal truth: your credit score reigns supreme when it comes to proving your ability to secure loans from major institutions. But have you ever wondered why this financial lifeline is considered the holy grail of creditworthiness? Let's shed some light on this crucial aspect. Over the past decade, the gig economy has experienced an explosive surge, with gig workers constituting a substantial 35% of the US labor force. However, despite the booming gig sector, a significant number of gig workers find themselves ensnared in a complex financial dilemma, desperately seeking the financial backing they need to thrive. The primary, unyielding obstacle standing in their path: the unwavering emphasis on maintaining an impeccable credit score. This stringent prerequisite often acts as an insurmountable hurdle, effectively barricading gig workers from accessing the financial support essential for their endeavors. Adding to the conundrum, Traditional financing avenues frequently demand personal guarantees or demand a substantial relinquishment of equity. What Fundo really is about. What truly sets Fundo apart from the crowd is their unwavering commitment to your financial well being. They've astutely recognized that in the gig economy, income can be as dynamic and varied as the diverse projects you undertake. To accommodate this ever shifting financial landscape, Fundo presents an ingenious solution: flexible weekly payments that are meticulously tailored to your income flow. This ingenious system is designed to ensure that repaying your advance doesn't evolve into a financial ordeal, but remains an integral and harmonious part of your financial journey. This is precisely where Fundo emerges as a beacon of hope, ready to bridge the chasm that often exists between gig workers and traditional financial institutions. Fundo doesn't merely offer a financial service, it provides an alternative, a lifeline to those who don't fit into the rigid mold defined by conventional banks and personal loans. It's a fresh perspective, a commitment to helping gig workers and micro businesses navigate their unique financial landscapes and find the tailored financial solutions they truly need to flourish. Fundo isn't just a financial service, it's a philosophy. It's the belief that financial support should be accessible to all, irrespective of their financial history or the structure of their income. Whether you're a gig worker, an independent contractor, or a self employed individual, Fundo stands as your financial ally, ready to support your unique journey. In the labyrinthine world of credit scores and stringent credit requirements, Fundo shines as a refreshing and innovative alternative. It understands that your financial journey, especially in the gig economy, is marked by fluidity and unpredictability. Therefore, instead of being hindered by your credit score, Fundo prioritizes the core elements of your financial health: your business's revenue history and the balance of your accounts. These pragmatic criteria become the cornerstone of your application decision, ensuring that your credit score doesn't overshadow your financial aspirations. In a nutshell, Fundo is rewriting the narrative of financial support. It's a paradigm shift, an opportunity to access financial backing on your terms, regardless of the weight your credit score might carry. Whether you're a gig worker, an independent contractor, or a self employed individual, Fundo stands as your financial ally, poised to support your unique journey. It's the embodiment of financial flexibility, a testament to the belief that your financial aspirations should never be stifled by the constraints of conventional financial institutions. How to apply for Fundo? Now, let's embark on an exciting journey that unlocks the pathway to Fundo's financial support. At the core of Fundo's appeal is an application process that's not just user friendly, but meticulously crafted with your convenience in your mind. Within the seamless system, you're granted the flexibility to apply for amounts that span from a humble $500 to a substantial $10,000. This level of adaptability empowers you to tackle a diverse spectrum of financial needs, whether it's about bridging a short term gap or seizing an exciting financial opportunity. But what truly distinguishes Fundo is its audacious move to dismantle the traditional barriers that have long discouraged individuals from seeking the financial assistance they deserve. There's no more need to navigate the maze of stacks of tax returns or engage in the frantic pursuit of gathering regular paychecks. Fundo has single handedly simplified and streamlined the application process, making it accessible to those who may not conform the rigid standards of conventional financial institutions. Fast paced, versatile, and easy to use. In the fast paced world of finance, time is often the most crucial factor, especially when you're dealing with pressing financial needs. This is where Fundo truly shines. They've engineered an application process that can only be described as lightning fast. Once you've received the green light of approval, your funds are swiftly and electronically deposited into your account. The remarkable part? For most customers, this financial lifeline becomes accessible within a mere 24 hours. The Fundo experience isn't just about ease and speed, it's about reshaping the very essence of financial accessibility. It's about recognizing that financial support should be available to all, irrespective of their financial history or conventional income structures. Fundo believes in you and your financial journey. They understand that life is full of twists and turns, and your financial needs may vary. This understanding has driven them to create an application process that mirrors the realities of your financial life. Fundo's user friendly design ensures that you don't need to be a financial expert to navigate the process. It's designed to be straightforward and hassle free, putting the power to apply for financial assistance back in your hands. Concerned about data security? Fundo values your privacy and prioritizes your data's safety. They never store your banking credentials, ensuring that your financial information remains confidential. So, whether you're a gig worker, an independent contractor, or a self employed individual, Fundo stands as your financial ally, ready to support your unique journey. They acknowledge that your financial situation may not align with traditional models, and that's precisely why they're here. The flexibility to apply for a wide range of funding amounts, the removal of traditional barriers, and the lightning fast access to funds, Fundo encompasses all of these elements to empower your financial journey. It's more than just a financial service, it's a catalyst for your financial aspirations. Frequently asked questions. Now, let's delve into some frequently asked questions to demystify the Fundo experience. What is a Fundo Merchant Cash Advance? A Fundo Merchant Cash Advance, often abbreviated as MCA, is a forward payment structured around the purchase of your future business revenue. It serves as an innovative financial tool tailor made for micro businesses and self employed individuals who grapple with fluctuating income or possess lower than ideal credit scores. How do you qualify for Fundo's Micro Advance? Fundo's Micro Advance program extends its helping hand to small businesses and self employed individuals, regardless of their credit score status. It emerges as a lifeline when traditional bank financing hits a dead end or when urgency demands immediate funding without the bureaucratic delays associated with bank loan approvals. To qualify for Fundo's Micro Advance, your business should be operational for a minimum of 3 months, signifying its stability. Fundo's evaluation process revolves around your business's cash flow. They aim to ensure that the repayment structure aligns seamlessly with your financial capacity without imposing undue pressure that could jeopardize your business's overall success. What if you have bad credit? One of Fundo's standout features is that your credit score, whether excellent, good, or less than perfect, is not the driving factor behind your application decision. As long as you don't have an ongoing bankruptcy, your credit score won't negatively impact your eligibility for Fundo's financial support. Instead, Fundo's primary criterion revolves around your business's revenue history and its current account balances. Is a personal guarantee required when dealing with Fundo? The beauty of Fundo's cash advances is that they do not necessitate a personal collateral guarantee. Fundo approaches your funding as a purchase of a percentage of your future cash flow. This innovative approach ensures that your financial assistance doesn't hinge on personal guarantees or the potential for feature of your assets. It's all about safeguarding your financial freedom while keeping your personal assets out of the equation. In essence, Fundo has been designed with your unique financial journey in mind. It's a beacon of financial hope for those who may not fit the conventional financial mold. If you've ever faced credit score barriers or struggled with traditional financing institutions, Fundo might just be the answer you've been searching for. Don't hesitate to explore this opportunity further. Fundo, a game changer. In summary, Fundo is not just a fintech solution. It's a game changer designed with you in mind. It's a lifeline for gig workers, independent contractors, and self employed individuals who've been searching for an alternative to traditional lending institutions. Whether you need $500 to cover an unexpected expense or a substantial $10,000 to invest in your business's growth, Fundo has your back. And the best part, Fundo's application process is refreshingly easy. It doesn't matter if you're not a financial expert, you can navigate it with confidence. Providing basic information about yourself and your business is all it takes. Worried about data security? Fundo values your privacy and never stores your banking credentials. So, here's your chance to break free from the limitations imposed by traditional lenders. If you're nodding in agreement with the challenges faced by gig workers and independent contractors, then Fundo is your beacon of hope. It's a platform that understands the ebbs and flows of your income, the ups and downs of your credit history, and the dreams you have for your business. This isn't just about money, it's about empowerment. Fundo believes in your potential, your determination, and your ability to succeed. It's a platform that recognizes that your financial health is intertwined with your overall well being. But here's the part where you come in. I want to hear your thoughts and experiences. Have you ever felt discouraged by the stringent requirements of traditional lending institutions? Have you explored alternative financial solutions like Fundo before? Share your stories and questions in the comment section below. If you are interested in exploring this opportunity, you can find the link in the video description below. Feel free to drop your comments and questions. We're here to assist you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's your gateway to more financial insights, tips, and opportunities like Fundo. By subscribing, you become part of a community that's committed to financial empowerment. And if you found the information in this video valuable, give it a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more people who might be in search for a financial lifeline. But don't stop there. Sharing is caring. If you know someone, a friend, family member, or colleague who could benefit from the knowledge we've shared today, don't hesitate to hit that share button. You might be the bridge to someone else's financial breakthrough. And finally, keep those comments coming. Your questions, stories, and feedback are essential to us. We're here to engage with you, answer your queries, and provide you with the insights you seek. Thanks for joining us today on High Access. We appreciate your time and trust in us as your source of financial information. Remember, financial empowerment is just a click away. Take care, and we'll talk to you soon.